Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SAP Learning Studio. Today we'll learn about Graphical User Interface GUI. This session is intended for the new joiners into SAP or the newcomers into SAP. This will give you an overview of the SAP screen and how you can access the SAP or how you can use the SAP GUI. So the SAP GUI is a graphical user interface and it is a primary interface for users to access SAP application. It provides a user-friendly environment for navigating various SAP activities like configuration, data entry, report viewing, etc. Means either you are a functional consultant, technical consultant, or you are an end user, you will access the SAP from the SAP GUI only. You can customize your interface, means you can apply the few themes are given by the SAP. You can apply those. You can change the font size and the system colors. You can open up multiple sessions at the same time. On an average 6 sessions are allowed per user login, so that you can act on 6 different T codes or 6 different activities on a single login. So there are various components of GUI: menu bar, toolbar, screen area, and status area. Menu bar is located at the top. Toolbar is located just below the menu bar and which contains the shortcut buttons for the frequently used actions. Then we have screen area where we will actually carry out our working, and at the end we have status area at the below of the screen where we will come to know where the transaction has been saved or get or went into any error or not. So when we navigate through the SAP GUI, we have three kinds of options available. One is the menu path. Menu path means there are certain path given by the SAP. We can drop down list, kind of drop down list. We can go to the particular path and we can enter that. Then we have direct access as a transaction code. So each activity has one transaction code assigned to it. So either we can directly enter that transactions code in the system, or we can save that transaction code in the favorite. So we just need to double click on that particular favorite item and that screen will get open. This is the overview how it will look. At the top, if you can see that menu, edit, favorites, extras are, these are called as menu bar. Then just below menu bar we have toolbar, and we have command bar where we actually enter the T codes of that particular transaction code. Then we have SAP menu over here. So we can drop down into it and we can reach to the certain transaction, or else we have favorite where we will add our transaction directly, and after double clicking on it we will come to know that particular transaction will get open. And at the bottom of the screen we have status bar where we will come to know the system and status of our transaction, whether transaction has been posted or not posted or went into an error, which that will be displayed in the status bar. So let's move on to our system. So now this is called as SAP logon pad. Through this you will enter into the system SAP GUI. So you need to double click on it, then enter the user ID, enter the client, then user ID given by you, and this is called the GUI, the home page of the SAP. So we have menu bar. If you go into the menu bar, we have different options over there. At each transaction the options will get changed in the menu bar and the toolbar. Then we have toolbar where the shortcuts are given, and we have SAP easy access is the header. Then this is the SAP menu access. So we will open it from here. So for an example, if I want to create an GL account, so I need to go to accounting, then financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, master records, GL accounts, and individual process, and then FS00 is the T code. See, this is the T code. FS00 is the T code to open this particular T code. So if I double click on it, see that screen has been opened. So now I can navigate and I can view the GL account and other things. Okay, now I know that for this particular transaction, T code, transaction code is FS00, which is visible at the bottom of the screen. If you don't visit, you need to double click on it and select the transaction field so that T code will be visible at the status bar. So we are, see, this is very time consuming when you want to access again and again and again. So we have one more where we can directly enter the T code at our command bar. So FS00 is the T code we enter directly in the command bar and we press enter. So in this case, I don't need to go through all the menu path. It's just a T code I have entered in the command bar, and the same screen has been opened. And there is one more way, as we discussed, we have favorites. So these are the favorites. We can add transactions into favorite, insert transaction into favorite. I will add FS00 over here, and when you double click on this, the same screen will get open. So this saves the time, user time. When you want to access some transaction again and again, instead of going through the menu path, you can select them as a, save them as a favorite, or enter the T code in the menu path. Hey, thanks everyone. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.